Well, it's one of those shit jobs you have to do. So you can see I got all the bolts out of the tranny cross member piece. I got the floor jack taking some of that weight off. And then I undid the two brackets, the bolts that went through the engine motor mount brackets that hang down and support the front of the engine belly armor. So I carefully want to drop this thing down and inspect things. Hopefully we're okay. You can see the massive indentation there right where the door is for the drain plug for the oil. I just got that piece of armor off. Okay, so you can see the Rubicon Express armor underneath the oil pan. That's 3/16, I believe. It could be 1/4 inch. I don't know, maybe 3/16. But I'm really glad that I have it. So everything's good there. No harm, no foul. You can see the disaster that I have with this rock hard 4x4 armor. Serious work that needs to be done. Oh my goodness. And there we go. I'm going to drag that out and take a look at it.